This is my ZELUS weighted vest. So this comes in a whole array of sizes from 4 pounds all the way through 20 pounds. In this video, I am just trying on the 12-pound one because that just seemed like the most accurate size for myself or for my strength, I guess. But this is great for workouts, strength training, running, just general fitness, and of course for muscle building, weight loss, or weightlifting. So I'm just putting it on here while I do a little bit of light cardio and doing just some little workout moves. But I do love that this has some reflective tapes on it. So if you're planning to wear this out jogging, which is an optimal way for weight loss, you'll still be reflective and seen by those around you. So it really adds kind of some safety features on there. It does come with a little detachable pocket, which I haven't placed on here, but you could potentially put a phone or card or keys in there if you want it. But overall, this is just super comfy. It's soft material placed throughout it. The straps on it are very kind of elastic feeling. I sized up the strap up front right to my bust size, so really can fit a good size variety. It does kind of give you a whole breakdown depending on what size you did as to how large of a bust that you could fit. I specifically has the 12-pound one, so that's going to go from 35-inch to 47-inch bust, and I am a little bit busty, and it fit great. As far as the filler goes, no scent or odor. Really love it. Check it out.